Good day everyone, I'm Jasmine Jacinto Sejo, 12 ICT Apollo from ACGH College, and this is just a simple video about DDNS or Dynamic Domain Name System. How does DDNS or Dynamic Domain Name System work? The DDNS or Dynamic Domain Name System works in the following way. The DDNS client monitors the IP address for changes. When the address changes, which it will if you have a dynamic IP addresses. The DDNS or Dynamic DNS service updates your new IP addresses. Let's get back to the same example from before. You're owning a server connected to the internet and want to share service from it. The server will be connected to the internal network and it will communicate with the internet via NAT or Network Address Translation router. The NAT router will provide an internal IP address to the server, probably via DHCP. To make it available externally, we will need to perform port forwarding and get external porttex and external IP address IPEX. Now, the service you want to share is visible with IPEX and porttex, and people can use it through the internet. The problem comes when this IP changes. First, you will need to register with a dynamic DNS provider like us and set up a client software on your server. In the Dynamics DNS settings, you will give a fixed name to this server. Put the IPEX and we need to tell the NAT to automatically update it and send the data to the DNS server. Inside the NAT settings, we will put the data from our dynamic DNS service provider, our account and password. Now everything is fed.